Mars, also known as the Red Planet, has been a fascinating topic for astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. But what was Mars like in the past? What events shaped its history and led it to become the barren, dusty planet that we know today? Let's take a journey into the past of Mars and explore its history. Around 4 billion years ago, Mars was a very different planet. It had a much thicker atmosphere, similar to that of Earth, and even had water flowing on its surface. This water carved out river valleys and created vast lakes and oceans. Scientists believe that Mars had the conditions necessary to support life, and some even speculate that it may have once had microbial life. However, Mars was not able to hold on to its atmosphere the way Earth is. Its lower gravity and lack of a protective magnetic field allowed the solar wind to strip away its atmosphere over time, leaving it with the thin, unbreathable atmosphere it has today. This process is still ongoing, as evidenced by the detection of Mars' thin atmosphere being lost to space by NASA's MAVEN spacecraft, but it wasn't just the loss of its atmosphere that turned Mars into the barren planet we know today. Around 3 billion years ago, Mars experienced a catastrophic event that had an enormous impact on the planet. An asteroid or comet impacted the planet, causing massive tsunamis to crash onto the Martian surface and sending debris flying into space. This impact created the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and formed Valles Marineris, the giant canyon on Mars' surface. Since then, Mars has been a relatively quiet planet, undergoing erosion from winds and the occasional dust storm. These dust storms can be enough to cover the entire planet in a red haze, obscuring its surface from view. Today, we have several rovers and orbiters studying Mars, including NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers and the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. These missions are helping us understand Mars' past and present, and they may even help us prepare for future human missions to the Red Planet. In conclusion, the past of Mars was vastly different from its present.
Hey guys! I came here in the middle of the video, asking you to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, because there is a lot of special content every day. Keep watching.
It once had a thick atmosphere and flowing water, but it ultimately became the barren planet we see today due to the loss of its atmosphere and a catastrophic impact. Despite its challenges, Mars remains a fascinating planet to study, and we may yet unlock more of its secrets in the future. One of the most exciting aspects of studying Mars' past is looking for evidence of past microbial life. As we know, Mars had the right conditions for life in its early years, but whether life actually existed there is still unknown. Scientists are currently searching for biosignatures, which are chemical or physical elements that indicate the presence of life. For example, if we find organic molecules, such as amino acids, in Martian rocks, it could be a sign of past or present life. Another aspect of Mars' past that is being studied is its climate change. We know that Mars has undergone several ice ages in the past, and these changes have shaped the planet's landscape in significant ways. Scientists are studying the planet's ice caps, which contain layers of ice that hold clues to the planet's climate history. Studying Mars' climate history could also give us insights into our own planet's climate change. The study of Mars' past is crucial to understanding its present and future. By exploring the planet's history, we can gain insight into the processes that shaped it and better understand its potential for supporting life. As we continue to explore and study Mars, we may just find the answers to some of the biggest questions in human history.